The professional writers are those who can talk to their audience in a simple way. If you hate your job and current life situation, I know you do. Start with small steps. To make money with freelance writing, build trust and increase your online visibility. The free and the cheapest way is to create the website builder such as Wix. Medium platform is the second alternative for publishing your content and getting paid. The beginners post articles on their personal blogs. It allows to make money through affiliate marketing. Example, you include an external link in your content. People click on it, you earn a small commission. Writing for magazines is another legit way to start freelance writing from home. You won't become a millionaire from it, but they give you a phenomenal chance to feature the articles on a variety of topics. You make small amount of money from publications, the readers discover your brand. In this way you gain massive popularity and regular business clients. Choose the right topic of your content. The niches are different: health, food, art, but the most profitable interacted with finance. Your goal is to write analytical reports, personal guides and tips. Cryptocurrency is trendy financial direction. Freelancers charge from 30 to 50 cents per word. The annual income fluctuates between $60,000 to $80,000. In the health industry, the writers produce articles about the yoga classes and meditation. These writing jobs can earn you $50,000 a year. SEO content writing, another high-paying niche. The freelancers work with keywords for high ranking in search results. The writers charge around $600 for engaging blog posts. The salary is from $40,000 to $50,000 a year. Using a proper writing style is a powerful tool. You connect with your readers on the emotional level. The way you use the vocabulary and sentence structure is a magnet for attracting your target audience. To succeed as a freelancer, combine the 4 effective writing styles. The narrative has a clear story arc that you could see in a movie. It helps to capture and maintain the reader's attention throughout your message. This method evokes strong emotions and gives readers a pleasant satisfaction from reading. The stories you tell become clear and stimulating at the same time. The expository style the writers use for describing things, independent from personal opinions. The facts you read in the educational articles and how-to guides. Descriptive is all about using metaphors. The freelancers create colorful ideas and events in your mind. The main goal is to make people feel the events as if they were real. Persuasive gives you a power to influence the reader and make him believe or do anything you want. The professional writers use it to convince people accept their personal ideas without resistance. You can see this style in cover letters and advertisements, the places where they want you to buy a new product. Watch this video if you want to make money writing. Feel free to subscribe for more future content.